Hello, welcome fellow traders. AMP Futures here, presenting another how-to video. In today's idea, we're going to go and introduce a new indicator recently rolled out by TradingView called Bollinger Bars. Now, this is actually a new collaboration with John Bollinger himself, and as TradingView continues to work with John, they're very excited to present Bollinger Bars, which is going to give you a nice fresh approach to charting that will transform your candle bars. Or in John's own words, it'll represent an exclusive marriage of Western bars and candlesticks encoded in color, adding a new layer of clarity to price action. Now, typically, the key advantage of Bollinger Bars is to visually emphasize the full range of prices traded during the time period of a bar. So, as an example, the thin tails of traditional candlesticks will de-emphasize price action that will take place outside the range between the open and the close, essentially the body of the candlestick. Now, Bollinger Bars will maintain the same width from top to bottom using color to delimit the different areas of the bar. As an example, blue is used for the tails, while the area between the open and close is green when the close is above the open, or red when the close is below the open. This can potentially help draw the eyes of analysts to accumulation and distribution trends, periods of compression, as well as a large range of days that might contain important information for decision making. At the end of the day, Bollinger Bars are designed to complement other Bollinger tools, creating a comprehensive analysis system recommended by John himself. So to add the new Bollinger Bars indicator onto the TradingView platform is very easy. You're just going to add it just like any other indicator in the platform. Top left corner of the chart, you'll see the indicators button here. You can either just search for Bollinger, and it'll just populate anything Bollinger related. You can see Bollinger Bars there where it says new. Or if you don't want to type it out, you can just choose the indicators menu here and just simply scroll down as it'll be in alphabetical order from top to bottom. And you'll see here where it says Bollinger Bars new. All you need to do at this point is simply click it. And now you can see the Bollinger Bars indicator has been applied onto the TradingView chart. And this is how you apply the new Bollinger Bars indicator in a new collaboration with John Bollinger with TradingView.